Hi, madam. Good
Hi.
evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Hi, guys. Good evening. Ayan, ang oras namin ngayon ay 6:40 ng gabi. At andito yung amo kong babae. Hi, madam. Good
Hi.
evening.
Good evening. How are you? So we are making chapati. In our language, we are telling roti. So I hope you people enjoy with this.
Enjoy
Bread.
with us, guys.
This is very delicious, and everybody like to eat.
Yes, and Jovi also like too much.
But she like only very little to eat, not
No,
too
I-
much.
Yeah, very
She not
little.
become fat.
I'm afraid to become fat, guys. No, I'm not afraid, but my tummy is small. That's why. Otherwise, this is very tasty, especially paratha. Madam like this roti and put this ghee. As in, guys, very tasty. Yan, ganito si Madam mag. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, kasi maraming confused paano to niluluto eh. Paano ginawa. Yan, kahit ako, guys, hindi pa ako marunong nito gumawa. Kasi kapag ginanito ko siya, guys, hindi siya maging round, maging oblong siya. So, napakalaking problema sa akin yan kapag gumawa ako ng roti na ganito. Hindi ko nilagyan ng flash, guys, kasi nandyan si madam, baka masakit sa mata. Yan, sobrang sarap kaya nito, guys, as in. Somebody comments here, she is Pakistani, I don't know what is her employer, but she told, you know, I'm watching your videos and I saw how you make, how Madam she cook. Same also what I'm cooking.
She's the helper somewhere.
I think so. I did not ask that much, but she told which we cook. She is watching our videos and same what she is cooking also. That she told only. I did not ask if she is a helper or maybe husband Pakistani or Indian.
Because Pakistani men like roti.
Yeah. So, tingnan nyo, guys. Pure ghee yan, guys. Pure butter. Kaya sobrang sarap. Soft. Malambot at saka ang sarap ng amoy. As in, tingnan nyo naman yan. Nako. Madali lang si madam kapag siya yung gumawa ng roti kasi yan. Katapos lang niya, meron na siyang ready na meron na siyang na-prepare doon na ganito. So, madali lang. Pagkatapos ng isa ay isa na naman. Yan.
Not too much because this is night. So we not put too much oil. Just only for roti become soft.
Konti lang daw yung nilagay ni madam na ghee or butter, guys. Ngayon ay gabi, panghapunan namin. So, hindi siya ma-digest. So, kailangan konti lang yung oil ang ilalagay. Tignan nyo, guys. Actually, sinabi ko wala akong video ngayon eh. Para pang-upload bukas. Kaya, yan, tahimik lang yung amo kong babae, guys. Pero sabi niya, mag-video daw ako para ipakita sa inyo. Yan siya dito.
But in the duty list written there, morning.
Silent off.
Silent off. How much my head nurse will love. Because I am good. And she told me. I said, if you give me two, she's laughing loudly.
She's feeling next time.
And Friday also my off.
Friday?
Off.
Nice.
And Friday I invite girls, come and eat. I will bring from hotel food, not make in the house, nothing.
How many girls do you come?
How much? They come, they inform yesterday, tomorrow, after tomorrow, Thursday.
This friend of Amber or the other group?
Amber morning duty Friday.
December.
I don't know. If she come, welcome.
They are all new? Or same group with Amber?
Yeah. Same with the Amber. Yesterday we meet at their pastor house. And this is good impression. You invite somebody to your house.
Sir, also off Friday?
I'm the one to bring from hotel.
Clean with tissue.
When you close, just push inside.
How many roti? No?
Later on, keep it like that.
No.
Take care, don't burn your hand.
Okay. So, ayan guys. Tapos na. Tapos na si Madam magluto. At tingnan nyo yung roti. Ano siya? 1, 2. Mainit. Basta marami siya guys. As in, sobrang sarap nito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 guys. Isang piraso nito guys kasya na sa isang tao. As in, ganyan siya kasulid na pagkain. So, mamaya pa kami kakain kasi 7 o'clock pa ngayon dito or less than 7 o'clock pa nga, guys. Ayan. So, nagluto lang si Madam kasi gusto daw niya magluto ng maaga. As in, guys, si Madam kasi yung nagluluto ng mga ganitong bagay kasi ang palagi lang yung sinasabi sa akin, guys, ay ayaw daw niyang masunog yung kamay ko kasi alam niyo itong tawa or itong tawa, ganito. Sobrang init. Ayaw niya na mapaso ako, guys, kasi experience na daw niya na palagi daw siyang mapapaso niyan. So, ayaw daw niya na mapaso ako. As in, di ba guys, parang ano bang purpose ko na nandito kung hindi naman ako gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay. Yung amo kong babae yung gumawa na matanda na siya. Pero ayaw talaga niya, guys. Strictly, sabi niya sa akin na huwag daw akong magluto ng roti, lalo na kaya sila. Kasi subukan ko to eh. Nagluto ako dito sa bahay, nag-isa ako. Gusto ko talagang matuto kasi sobrang sarap. Pinagalitan ako ng amo kong babae. Kung gusto ko na mag-practice, dapat nandyan siya. Kapag nandito naman siya, guys, hindi naman niya ako pinayagan na mag-practice. Gusto niya siya yung magluto talaga.
Just little only this lotion put my face and just keep back like this. Here from here.
So, yun. Ayan, nagsabi si Madam na maglagay ako ng lotion sa kanyang paa. So, yan. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. God bless you all.